Looking for the right 10-inch table saw blade can make a huge difference in your woodworking. But how do you know which one actually fits your projects? Whether you're focused on smooth crosscuts, clean ripping, or fine finish woodworking, the blade you choose matters. In this video, we'll break down some of the best 10-inch table saw blades available today and explain what each one does best. We'll cover real-world use cases, key features, and who each blade is best suited for, so you can spend less time guessing and more time cutting with confidence. Let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT DW3106P5 10-inch table saw blade combo. The DEWALT DW3106P5 combo pack is designed for woodworkers who want flexibility without constantly changing blades. This set includes a 32-tooth general-purpose blade for faster cuts and a 60-tooth fine-finish blade for smoother results. Both blades feature tungsten carbide teeth, helping them stay sharp longer and deliver consistent cuts across softwood, hardwood, plywood, and chipboard. The thin kerf design supports smoother cutting with less material waste, while the computer-balanced steel plate helps reduce vibration for better accuracy. This combo works well on most 10-inch table saws and miter saws, making it a practical option for DIYers and professionals who want reliable performance across a range of projects. Number 2. Diablo D1060X 10-inch fine-finish table saw blade. If smooth, clean edges are your priority, the Diablo D1060X is built specifically for fine finish work. It features 60 high ATB teeth, which help reduce tear-out and leave polished edges, especially on hardwood, plywood, melamine, and trim materials. The laser-cut thin kerf allows for precise cuts with less resistance, while Tico high-density carbide teeth support long-term durability. Diablo's PermaShield coating helps reduce friction, heat buildup, and pitch accumulation during extended cutting sessions. Stabilizer vents cut down on vibration and noise, making this blade a solid choice for cabinetry, trim carpentry, and detailed woodworking where surface quality matters. Number 3. IRWIN 14076 10-inch marathon table saw blade. The IRWIN 14076 Marathon blade is designed for accuracy and clean finishes, especially on fine woodworking projects. With 80 ATB ground teeth, it produces smooth cuts that work well for furniture building, cabinetry, and detailed trim work. Its thin kerf design helps improve efficiency and reduce waste, while the precision tension steel plate minimizes vibration for better control. The 10-degree hook angle offers a good balance between smooth feeding and cutting stability. This blade performs well on hardwoods, softwoods, engineered wood, and some plastics, making it a versatile option for woodworkers who want clean results without frequent blade changes. Number 4. Bosch DCB1072CD 10-inch table saw blade. The Bosch DCB1072CD is built for tougher materials, including composite decking and dense hardwoods. It uses brute carbide teeth, designed to resist impact and maintain sharpness in abrasive cutting conditions. The triple chip grind helps reduce splintering while extending blade life, and the extra hard alloy steel body resists bending for consistent, accurate cuts. A thin kerf profile allows for faster cutting with less strain on the saw. Bosch's speed coat finish reduces heat and friction, helping the blade run smoother during longer cuts. This blade is a strong option for users who regularly work with demanding materials.
Number 5. Diablo D1080X 10-inch ultra-finish table saw blade for ultra-smooth crosscuts and finish work. The Diablo D1080X stands out with its 80-tooth design. It's well-suited for cutting hardwood, MDF, veneered plywood, melamine, and detailed moldings where clean edges matter. The blade features Tico high-density carbide teeth for long-lasting sharpness and a laser-cut thin kerf for accurate, controlled cuts. Stabilizer vents help reduce vibration and noise, improving overall cutting comfort. With its PermaShield non-stick coating, this blade resists heat and pitch buildup, making a reliable option for finished carpentry and fine woodworking projects. Choosing the right 10-inch table saw blade depends on the type of work you do most, whether that's fast ripping, smooth crosscuts, or fine finish woodworking. Each blade on this list offers a different balance of cut quality, durability, and versatility. If you want to learn more about any of these options, you'll find links in the description below. You can check the latest price on Amazon and see detailed specifications before deciding. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you out, feel free to subscribe for more woodworking and tool reviews. See you in the next video.